I am Pragya and I bring to you excerpts from the current issue of Outlook, titled India That is Bharat. It looks at the ongoing state elections as a critical test of unity between the Congress and its allies in the India coalition and whether the opposition combined can take on the might of the BJP in the elections 2024. Student Uproar by Anisha Reddy from Outlook. In 2010, Sai Kumar Migada, a 20-year-old chemical engineering student in Hyderabad, had breakfast, returned to his dorm room, slipped a length of clothesline around his neck, tied it to the ceiling fan, and hanged himself. Before he signed off from life, Migada, who routinely scored straight A's in his exams, also left a note behind for the people of the yet-to-be-formed state of Telangana. For the people of Telangana, this is my final salute, said his note, which added traction to the decades-old struggle to create a separate state in Andhra Pradesh, one of the larger states in southern India. Migada was one of the many people, including youth, who sacrificed their lives on the altar of the Telangana statehood movement. Migada was one of the many people, including youth, who sacrificed their lives on the altar of the Telangana statehood movement, whose champions had argued that the region has been neglected by the successive state governments. Almost a decade later, the sacrifices, some of them fatal, made by around 30 lakh youth to give birth to Telangana appear to have been in vain. Jobs, water, and financial stability were the three prime promises made during the statehood movement by the incumbent Chief Minister of the state, Kalvakuntala Chandrasekhar Rao or KCR, one of the icons of the Telangana movement. During the movement, more than 1,000 students gave up their lives in the hope that the next generation would enjoy improved employment opportunities after the formation of the new state. However, government job aspirants in Hyderabad lament that the current Bharat Rashtra Samiti, formerly TRS, which gained power with the support of the youth, has utterly failed to fulfill these aspirations. Contrasting claims surround the state unemployment rate. In May 2020, the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, an independent think tank, reported a record high of 34.8%, the highest in the 4 years. Among election-bound states, Rajasthan at 12.5%, Telangana at 15.1%, and Mizoram at 11.9% have youth unemployment rates exceeding the national average, as per the 2022-2023 Periodic Labour Force Survey. While contesting job vacancy claims persist, the 2021 Biswal Committee report revealed 1.91 lakh unfulfilled state government positions since 2015. For this and more, read the current issue of Outlook.